Hey, excuse me. Thank you for coming to my Bigo Live. I appreciate it.
You from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
You from?
Yeah, okay, no problem. Don't excited. I'm from Bangladesh. And you?
Full welcome हो गया आपका. Oh, I am from Pakistan.
Yes, I know. I know Pakistan.
You yes yes. करो बात अच्छी.
Oh, what is
I
your?
am Gujjar. हाँ जी Gujjar welcome हो गया फिर आपका.
Listen to me.
जी.
Listen to me.
Yes
What's your name?
yes.
What is your name?
Mano.
Yeah,
Mano.
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 Yes.
What type of name, Mano? Now I'm see.
Mano is ghetto.
Now I'm see Hania Awan.
Yes. Anya one my name. Okay.
Yeah.
मेरा
Okay, listen to me. I think you.
name. You are so cute. You are so cute.
Oh, thank you so much. And you. So,
Thank you.
how about you?
Dad,
How about how?
tap tap करो.
Listen to me.
Yes.
How about you? How are you? Totally same. So, how about you? Yeah.
Use page. Oh no. नहीं तो दबाओ.
So, assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are doing very fantastic. So, if you want to like my video, please subscribe to my channel. I hope you will give me a subscribe, and in the next video I will talk to an Indian girl. So the video is going to be a lot of fun. So waiting for this video, please like, share, of course. Allah bless everyone. Have a good day.